Are we live? Just a sec. Are we live? Hold on. Mm, yeah, we are live. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build a SaaS. So this is day 16 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. Okay, so first I need to start my Docker. Okay, so first start Docker. I don't know. की हाल चाल सब बढ़िया. I don't know. How are you? So Docker has started. Okay. Now cmd docker ps docker start redis server docker ps. This has started. Okay. So first let's start the backend. Cd backend npm run dev. Okay, so then we'll start cd backend. We'll start the worker npm run worker dev. Yep. Then we have cd frontend npm run dev. Yep. Ayan Khan. Hello Ayan, welcome to the stream. Hi, which language you would suggest to a college student who is a immediate knows Python, who is intermediate knows Python and Java, but wants to learn full backend? If you want to go with full backend, you know Python, so I will suggest you go with Python. Learn Django framework, because see, Java is very powerful, but as a fresher, like it can get difficult to get a job. So we have this. Okay, so now if I go here, localhost 3000, register, test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. No, this is name. Okay, login here. Test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 2. We are login. Okay, thank you. Nuka code. Java has more jobs for fresher, maybe, but in my experience, what I have faced, because I have worked with Java Spring Boot. Basically, if you go to any job platforms, you will find that for Java Spring Boot developers, at least 2 years of experience, they mention it in the job application. So maybe, like that's what I have personally realized. Maybe it's different for you. So, yep. Let's delete this. Begins. Okay. So now we have pgadmin. But in AI era, Python is leading these days. Okay, Lokesh, hi. Hello, Lokesh. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Okay, we have this. This, this, no, this, I love this. Okay. So all of this. Let's do one thing. Delete all the bookings. Okay. Delete all bookings. So now if I come here, go to bookings, this. So this is my slug. Go to localhost 3000 slash booking slash this. Krip Pandey, bro, subscribe. Thank you, Krip Pandey. Thanks a lot, man. Ayan. Wow, you have very nice community. Thanks, guys. Yeah, and like people who are been regular to my streams, they are quite helpful. Lokesh, good भाई आप बताओ public booking हो गया क्या? हाँ public booking हो गया है. There are few bugs that today we need to fix that for public booking part. We are able to book, but right now we have to manage booking logs as well. Parnor Ranjan Shal. I'm not able to pronounce the name. What's the name? Parnaur. Hello, Parnaur. Welcome to the stream. Bro, can I be expert front end developer in 6 months? Love from Bangladesh. Yeah, you can become an expert in front end. But the thing is that as the job market has evolved a lot, it's better that you go for full stack development. Mohammad Arif. Hi, bro. Hello, Mohammad Arif. Welcome back to the stream. Purno Ranjan Shukul. Okay, Purno Ranjan Shukul. Hello, Purnoranjan Shukul. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, man, you can master a front end in 6 months, but I would suggest you go for full stack development because with evolution of AI now front end has become fairly easy. So real money is still in back end, like it's still in full stack. So try to learn full stack. Okay. So first, there's no back end, and I need to see booking logs as well. Is there any logs? No logs. Okay. So first. So make sure that we have this. Just a sec. Guys, do let me know if I'm audible. If there is any lag or anything, do let me know. बिल साल 18. हेलो बिल साल 18. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. कहाँ से ब्रो? कहाँ से हो? मैं वेस्ट बंगाल इंडिया से हूँ. आई डोंट नो. हेलो आई डोंट नो. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई ये ओपन एआई कुछ डेवलपर्स को कच्चे कच्चे फाड़ फाड़ पैसे क्यों दे रहा है? क्योंकि ओन डेवलपर्स के पास स्किल है. लोकेश ऑल गुड ब्रो. नो लैग. ओके थैंक्स लोकेश. Purno, how much time should I invest to become full stack developer? At least give yourself 6 to 8 months to become a good full stack developer, and you will become a good full stack developer once you build projects. The more projects you build, the better you get, right? So we have this booking. So now if I go here, and let's go for offline session first. Offline session and 28, 30. Let's go with 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Let's go with Abhishek Sharma and let's give my own email and let's do with create booking confirmed. We got this. Fine. Now if I come here, bookings, we got this booking, right? 30 March 11. Okay, so we have this. Now if I go here, we have this booking and we have this. Okay. We have this, and if I go to booking log, okay, something is wrong here. Just a sec. Hmm. Service ID, customer under start time. Okay. Let's go with 2nd April. Let's go with this time. And if I do send, and again if I do this, slot already booked. Yeah. Okay. So if I come here, this is not this. Abhishek Sharma, here, confirm booking field. Okay, so we are getting this thing 11 first 11, and if I go to new incognito window, and here if I copy this URL, I copy this URL, here it was 31st 11 a.m. test user Malala, test user 998 gmail.com, booking field. Okay, so current particular slots are not getting booked once it is already booked. Okay, so we have to fix that. We should not show this time at that date, right? Sorry, I have to invest. Okay, update. Hello, Priyanshu. Currently, we are working on the like we have completed the dashboard booking service as well. Now we are working on the customer side where the customer will book the bookings of an appointment. Hello, Ibrahim Mosin. Welcome to the stream. You, Abhishek. How are you doing, bro? I'm good. I'm doing good, Ibrahim. How are you? What's the progress? We have completed the bookings part from the dashboard side. Now we are working on the bookings part from the user side, customer side. Lokesh. Hi, bro. He's speaking about in public booking. Okay. He's 18. I'm your West Bengal thing. Oh, that's great. Techno Babu. Techno Baba. Hello, Tectonic Baba. I'm back. Hello, Tectonic Baba. Welcome to the stream. I am the only one on Abhishek hairstyle looks different. What did I do with my hairstyle, bro? Okay, भाई आपने आज भी रन नहीं बनाए. Okay. All good, bro. Okay, yeah, it's nice, bro. Work. Hello, Shiv Prasad. Welcome to the stream. Surya Coach. Hello, Surya Coach. Welcome to the stream. Yes. Yes. Now we have to fix a bug that my good friend GPT. Hello, GPT. How are you? Okay, so this is happening. We'll get the booking part. This is my code. First, app page. This is my app slash booking slash org slug slash page dot tsx. Components here. Components. In components, we have public booking page component, booking form, form.tsx, date picker.tsx. Then we have service list. We have service list.tsx. Then we have slot picker.tsx. Slot picker.tsx. There we go. This is done. So then we will send redux slices king slice slice.ts. Okay, this is also done. Now we can go to close this. Front end is done. src modules controller booking dot controller dot ps booking dot route.ts, booking.schema.ts. सर मैं वेब डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ, क्या मैं कोड विथ हैरी से सिग्मा बैच से स्टार्ट कर दूँ, प्लीज़ गाइड कर दीजिए। हाँ, आप वहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फिनिश द कोर्स, complete the course. Hi Mohsin, I was gone for like 3 days and Abhishek went from coding to modeling. I said, Abhishek, why you're not using GPT Plus? It's free, right? It's free, but future it will not be free. It's like same Geo concept that they are using. So why to get dependent on that? Right, Mohsin, crazy. Abhishek using new hair product, huh? I'm not using any hair products, guy. I just took a shower a few minutes back. Right, Mohsin. कि दिए खेल ही रातें। अरे वाह। भाई आपने इसके एफई पार्ट स्टार्ट कर दिया है क्या? हाँ, अभी हम लोग फ्रंट एंड में काम कर रहे हैं। सयोन राणा, मैं HTML से जावास्क्रिप्ट भी लैंग्वेज नहीं जानता, क्या स्टार्ट करूँ सिग्मा बैच से? पहले आप जावास्क्रिप्ट से स्टार्ट करो, स्टार्ट विद जावास्क्रिप्ट। ओके, हेलो भैया, हेलो अशोक मन्ना, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम, हाउ आर यू? सो वी हैव दिस availability done, then we need the slots. Okay, slot dot controller dot ts, slot dot route dot ts, then we have the slot dot service dot ts. This is also done, slot is done. Organization controller dot ts organization controller dot ts, then organization dot route dot ts, organization dot schema dot ts, organization dot service dot ts. This is also done. Organization done. Service, okay. Service, yeah, let's do this also. There we have service dot controller dot ts, then we have service dot route dot ts, service dot route dot ts, service dot schema dot ts, then we have service dot ts. Fine, we got this. Service is also done. Now I think we just I should pass the Prisma schema dot Prisma. Schema dot Prisma. Now I want that if if a booking is done on a particular, if a booking is done, then another customer another customer should not see that booking slot in the booking date and slot, and if they try to book, then it should, yeah, that's it, date and slot, so that there is no booking overlapping. Hello from Vietnam. Hello NG Tan 1001. Welcome to the stream. How was your day? My day was fine. How was your day? ভাই কত বছর ধরে ওয়েব ডেভে? আমি তো অগেন লাইক काफ़ी दिन हो गया, like it's been quite a long. I heard Vietnam people have a lot of misconception about India. Is it true? I have no idea, man. Tyler. Okay. Hey bro, want to start earning money? First year CSE student, don't want to depend on parent for basic needs at least. Then your best option is to teach tuition. Tuition पढ़ाओ because first year में I don't think you have the skills enough to get a job or internship. Right now, if you really in the need of money, teach students, tuition पढ़ाओ बच्चों को, उससे पैसे कमाओ और उसके साथ अपने अपने आप को अपस्किल करते रहो. Is masters a good option? Mehul Pathak. Masters, like from where you are doing it. If you are doing it from IIT, then it's a good option. Okay. First learn, then remove I. Okay. But it will take a lot of time. BAGMI only. Okay. Hello bhaiya, I'm back. Hello ABCD, welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Okay, so okay, so we got this. The good news, you're already 90% there. Your backend logic does prevent overlapping bookings, but the issue is UI showing steal slots. Right now the problem is the user still see it in, until that. Okay, root cause, user slot not slots, and the user books DB updates, and okay, front end must do refresh slots after booking. Update your form.tsx, pass a callback from parent, update booking form, then after success. Okay, why this matters? Okay, still not enough, raise condition. Even after this, two users can still same season click at the same time. You already handled it currently in the backend, but okay, fine. Next level, make it process auto refresh slots every few seconds. Okay, got it. Show error if slot just got booked. Advanced booking logs, you already built it. Okay, fine. Okay, give me the full code. Do I need certificates to get a job, or skill will be enough? See, certificates does not matter. Your degree matters just to get you interviews, but your skills will only get you past the interviews, right? Okay. विराज, हे ऑल्सो आज क्या खाया अभिषेक भाई? आज मैंने चिकन रोटी खाया. हे लाला कॉलेज. वेयर इज द कॉलेज? के सूरज सिंह भैया, IPL नहीं देखा आपने? मैं उतना IPL नहीं देखता हूँ ज़्यादा. इज द थर्ड टियर कॉलेज. ओके, या अभिषेक डिसअपॉइंटेड, सो ही डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम ओके. मुझे दे पार्ट का स्टार्ट वीडियो देखना है. कैन द वीडियो नंबर? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो द स्ट्रैटेजी विच यू फॉलो. Ravi, video number is day 1 of building my SaaS. If you go to my YouTube channel, if you want to watch this SaaS ka thing from the beginning, just a sec. PyTorch AutoCAD. Okay, I'll watch this video later. Go to YouTube Studio. Oh, why am I going to YouTube Studio? I mean, go to my YouTube channel. Where is my channel? And if you go to my live, and if you go to day this one, day one, actually chill, market research is also important, so you can start with market research, or if you directly want to see the coding part, you can start with day one, building my SaaS as a solo developer. You can follow from there. Okay, so we have this. Okay, I'm booking on page. Okay, booking form, what you achieve now. If you want next upgrade, hold before booking, payment before confirmation, moving Canada sync, public booking, links like. Okay, if you want, I can turn this off for currently clone architecture next. Not now. First, let's implement this. So what is happening here? Params. Okay, this is done. This is done. Service if then fetch slots. Once fetch slot async. This is a function. Fetch slots, and then we are fetch slots. Okay. Set it. Okay, we are calling this fetch slot in after 85 seconds. Okay. No organization. Fine. Okay. So we have this. Just a sec. Let's see. Tushar Kade. Still using ChatGPT. Use Claude instead. See, I have said this earlier also. I'm not using AI IDs because I want full control of my code. And before I copy paste the code from ChatGPT or anything, I actually understand the code. And if I see that it's correct, then only I implement it, or else I do it on my own. So that's the thing. And it's a full blown SaaS, so people will actually use it and pay for using this SaaS. So I cannot just depend on AI to write the entire code, because it gets really difficult to debug the code later or add new features if you don't understand the code. No, okay. Can you tell what Abhishek Bhai is doing and what language is he doing? I'm trying to build my own SaaS, and currently I am working on this part. Basically, if booking is already made, then this time slot should not be shown, because then if a booking is already done, then how can someone book, you know, something more here, something like that. Okay. So slots. So let's do one thing from here. Just before these parts, we have to comment this one. Comment this for now. Now, if we come here, we have fetch slots, service ID, select date, fetch slots, fetch service ID, service const fetch slots equals async service any and selected date is of type date, and then we have this. So const formatted date equals select date dot to ISO string, then splitted with t and the first element. Okay, Then we have const slots equals await public booking API dot get slots. Then we have service dot id and we pass service dot id and we pass formatted date. We got the slots. Then we have set slots to slots. So okay, fine, done. This is done. Now outside of this we are calling use effect. We are calling this use effect. Outside of that, use effect, and now we are doing this. If there is no selected service or there is no date, simply return. Then we'll simply return. And if not, if we don't return, then we call the fetch slots and then we pass the selected service and date, and in dependency array we pass selected service and the date. Done. After this one we have to get this auto fetch part. Okay, Ayan, hey boss, what are you building now? I'm building a B2B SaaS, and now we are working on the appointment booking page. Like there are a few bugs that I'm trying to solve. So yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay. Bhai, install 5. No, not I don't like that sound. So yeah. Bro, the front end part I want to know. Start के वीडियो तो देख लिया हूँ, but UI part कहाँ है? Because I block. See UI part. I think for you can go with day number 10. You can start with that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Supreme DS, yo, what's up, brother? Hello, Supreme DS. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? So we have this. So we have this use effect. We have this use effect, and if there is no selected service or there is no date, return. Then we get const interval equals set interval near send interval fetch slots selected service date, and here every 5 seconds. Then here we have return clear interval and here we have selected service and date. Okay, this is done. Then we have here 1 date 2. Okay, fine. I think now is this same. I think just a sec. Now if I come here, go here, then 31st, select the time. Hold on. Booking. We have a booking here. Okay, we have to make some change in date picker as well. Hold on. So from here we have this, then booking form. Okay. So here we have, we can copy from the return part. Copy it from the return part. Copy this. Return this from here to here. Add this. Then put this here. This we have done. Then booking form. Components. Forms. Now this one. Public page. We have booking form here. We have booking form. Just copy booking form. Comment this for now, and we put this here. Okay, so now if we come here, let's see what we get. What the fuck? What happened here? Seriously? What the hell is this? Such a disappointment, ChatGPT. Absolutely fine, bro. What about you? I'm good, Supreme. Okay. I'm just traveling here and there, faking productivity, but just loving the phase of work. Oh, that's nice, Supreme DS. Ayan Gain. Hello, Ayan. Welcome to the stream. Shall I learn Python for Gen AI? I'm from front end background. Yes, you can learn Python for Gen AI. Mohsin sir, I didn't get what I want to say. Okay, 9 1 आज मेरा 12 बोर्ड्स ख़त्म हो गया. अब मेरे को टिप्स दे दो अपनी कोडिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट करने के लिए. 9 1 वाला कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आपके 12 के बोर्ड्स खत्म हो गए हैं. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि जब मेरा टाइम खत्म हुआ था 12 के बोर्ड्स के एग्जाम, तो एक महीना मैं नानी घर चला गया था. तो डोंट डू दैट. अपना टाइम यूज़ करो. यू कैन स्टार्ट कोडिंग ईयर. चूज़ वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, ईदर स्टार्ट विद जावास्क्रिप्ट और पाइथन. By the way, I just received a good vacation from that client whose crypto wallet was recovered. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Atharva Chaudhary. Hello, Atharva. Welcome to the stream. Is it necessary to make notes for web development, especially backend? See, notes, you don't write notes like we used to do in school. You actually understand the flow. आज नानी के घर छत पे सो रहा था. नहीं, मेरे नानी घर में छत पे नहीं सो रहा था. लाइक रूम था, वहाँ पे हम लोग सोते थे. सायोन राना. सर, आप जो SaaS बना रहे हैं उसमें क्या लैंग्वेज कवर हो रहा है? ये जो मैं SaaS बना रहा हूँ इसमें टाइप स्क्रिप्ट कवर हो रहा है. टाइप स्क्रिप्ट विच इज़ लाइक विच इज़ जावा स्क्रिप्ट ओनली बट विथ टाइप सेफ्टी. Seriously. Seriously. This is serious. Choose now. My mouse is not working. Wow. So page part, the UI is not rendering. Okay. Here, page part. Remove this part. Okay, I know where we missed. I know where we fucked up. I forgot to add the return. Yeah. And now if I come here, we have this here. This 30, 31st, 29th, 30, 31st, 28. Just a sec. Delete all the bookings. Delete all the bookings here. Fine. And right now if we go here, no bookings, right? Organization. Now if I just refresh it, offline session, and here we have for 28th, let's go with 11. Name Abhishek Sharma. We have Abhishek Sharma here. Confirm booking. Booking confirmed. Done. And if I go with this again, and here if I go to bookings, we have 11, 27th March. Okay, 28th 11. Please fill all the fields. Abhishek Sharma, 28th 7th. Yeah, that's not 28th 7th. Slot just got booked. Try another. Okay, we are getting this, but I want to show here that this slot is already booked. Now let's go with this one here. It's availability bookings. Okay, and if I go with incognito here, new incognito window, and here if I get this, here, copy this now, paste it here, call, then we have 28th 11th user user rate gmail.com, then confirm booking. Slot just got booked. Try another. Slot is already booked. Okay, let's change the message here. I'm not liking this message actually. Copy this. We have this, and if I remove this here, okay, so booking form, this is my booking form. Copy this from here, and we have this here. Okay, booking confirmed. Slot already booked. Time slot already booked. Try another time slot. Refresh slot. Okay. This, but I want to, but I want that if a slot is already booked, it should not be even visible. If a time slot not be even visible, this line should be removed. This sockets, if you want restaurant, if you want DJ like currently socket IO हो गए. You cannot guarantee user will never book even for 1 second unless you set up what you should do, tab what should do, backend filtering done, refetch for the handles and scaling. Okay, give me the full code. Okay, CPP. Okay, without using AI in mostly. Okay, Flask or Django or FastAPI, which one to learn? I will suggest if you have time in hand, go with Django. If not, then go with FastAPI. Mohsin sir, what are you doing? Okay, my corporate, not a big deal. Okay, okay. This is my page, book form. Okay, so if I copy this page, hold on, not this. Copy this book page. We have the page. Now copy the booking form. Copy the booking form here. Add this here. Refresh. Okay, now if I go here, finish this. Just a sec. If I come here, this booking, this booking. Now if I go here, booking. No, there's no booking here. And if I go here, refresh, come here, 28th. Let's go with 29th. Let's go with 31st. My state is 31st 11. Sheikh Sharma. Anytime Sheikh Sharma at the rate gmail.com. From booking. Confirmed. Then once again. And this. Then for example, if a user books first 31 11 a.m 31st March 11 a.m slot, the booking is done. But after that 11 a.m of 31st March is still shown in the slots. Good, now there's a real bug, not UX. It's showing even on booking. Root cause, solving the problem. Okay, just see notice open time. Okay. Update slots and replace this with this. Also fix log, replace timezone. Slots. Let's see, classic mistakes. I will work, but once you looks on. Okay. Online fix summary. Replace with but hours to plus minutes. If you want to know the system, put down. Okay. That's it. Okay, fine. Fix update slot service. If I go here, backend, SRC, modules, slot, slot service. And here we have booked times. Replace this booked times. Booked times. Where is it? Bookings. Booked times. Okay. So we have this. Replace this. Comment this one for now. And here add this line. This piece of code here. So what is this? Okay. Also fix locks, const locks and locked times with lock time. Okay, fine. Copy this and for now comment this one and here add this line. Okay, why this works? Bonus. Okay, after this. Okay, okay, okay. So we have this thing and now if I refresh this 31st. Oh, see now 11 time is gone. 11 is gone, right? So let's do one thing. Let's add this and delete this one for now. We delete this. Now if I refresh, 11 will be back. This is here. For example, I'm doing 31st. And here also there's no booking, right? There's no booking. Okay. दीपांशु आई एम बैक भैया. हेलो दीपांशु, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. लोकेश, अभी ब्रो वेदर कैसा है? आज वेदर सही है, आज बारिश नहीं हो रही है. लाइदर टाइलर ओके, दीपांशु ओके, इब्राहिम ओके, लोकेश ओके. System design is the future, at least till AI becomes AGI. I agree. System design is the future. And I'm thinking that once we build the MVP, then we'll start learning practical of system designs. Like we'll understand one particular topic of system design and then we'll implement it through code. I'm trying to do I'll do that next. Okay. चलो कोई तो है जिसको मैं याद हूँ. Okay, दीपांशु. What's the difference between security analyst and security engineer? See, analyst is someone who analyzes things and then gives a feedback. You know, it's like a consultant, something like that, if I'm not wrong. As engineer is someone who implements things. Smith, okay, Smith, welcome to the stream. भैया right now web project के लिए कौन सा DB use करना best रहेगा? All over एक suggestion please. Either go with MongoDB or Postgres. Like I go with Postgres usually. The executor. Hello, the executor. Welcome to the stream. Hi, what's up? Hope your day is going good. My hope is my day is going good. Thanks, executor. How is your day going? Okay. Hadderly. What's the name? Hadderly. Hello, Hadderly. Welcome to the stream. How much time will it take more to complete the MVP? You've been grinding for days. Yep, it will take 1 or 2 weeks more. Tyler. Abhishek Sharma, can you recommend me some roadmap course in system design? Right now, see what I will be doing is I will watch 1 or 2 good videos on YouTube on system design to get a rough idea about it, and then after that I'll go to GPT. I'll tell GPT to teach me, and then we'll implement those things. Okay. So this is my availability. This is my bookings. So now if I go here, refresh this, come here, let's go with 31st 11 and name Abhishek Sharma, and let's go with this and get this confirm booking confirmed. 11 is gone. Now if I come here and I go to an incognito window and paste this here, someone books for this first. इसका 11 है, इसका 11 नहीं है, इसका 11 नहीं है, और 1 बजेगा. टेस्ट कस्टमर 1, टेस्ट कस्टमर 1@gmail.com. confirm booking confirmed. There is a time slots are going. Very good. So we have implemented this. Now if I come here, bookings, yeah, we got these bookings. Very good. This is done. Now let's make the UI a bit better. Now we can make the UI a bit more professional. So this is my booking page. And 1 second, if we are creating organization, what are we taking? My company is Slug time zone. Okay, so we have this here, and okay, this is my time zone, and okay, so this is my code, page.tsx. Yeah, we can just get rid of this code. This is my, close this, and here we can come here. Okay, so this is my code. This is my code, page.tsx, right? We have this page.tsx, then we have the booking form here. Come here and get this. This is my booking form dot tsx. This is my booking form. Then this is my slot service dot ts. This is not, we can remove this. Booking form, then backend components of the booking form, then date picker, my date picker dot tsx. This is my date picker dot tsx. Then this is my service list dot tsx. Service list. This is my slot picker dot tsx. Make the UI and UX much better and smoother. Make like thing and implement like a good front-end UI expert. Now let's see what we get. It's Heather Ali. Okay, got it, Heather Ali. Welcome to the stream. Missing progress should feel real, not badges. New jumps. Right now, UI jumps a lot, feel unstable. Should alive loading spinner disable states. Okay. We have this section animations slot. Okay. So we have this page slot picker, booking form. Okay. Fine. Email sent. Give me the full code. Okay, so this is my page. Yeah, did you just write this entire code with AI? Like the UI part? Yeah, we have used AI for the front end, and like we have used, basically it's not totally written from AI, it's mixture of both. Like something like I saw the structure from AI, then I implemented the code myself, or maybe if I found the code is useful, then I implement the code from AI. It's like a mixture of that. Okay, Ibrahim Mohsin, I saw NeoVim kink, then I saw DSA kink, now I am seeing vibe coding kink. Every year the kink changes. See, people are not understanding that vibe coding is just a way of making a software faster, but that does not mean that faster way is the correct way, right? Because you have to use vibe coding AI IDs like a junior developer. You still have to sit on top of it. You need to understand the code. Just don't blindly copy paste it, because if you're trying to build a production grade SaaS, then you are actually accountable for the code. People are paying you to use your software. You just cannot, depend entirely on AI. If anything goes wrong, you will break your customers' trust, and then they will never ever trust your products again. That's the thing. So before you entirely vibe code an app, even if you're vibe coding it, that's completely fine, but at least sit and understand line of code, because in future if you want to debug it or if you want any other feature, then it will be a disaster. So that's why that's the correct flow you should follow. Akash, hello Akash, welcome to the stream. Don't you get the chat time limit reach warning since you are not using plus version? Yeah, I get that warning, but then I create a new chat. Yeah, that's why actually we are not vibe coding it entirely, na. So I know the context of the code. So I know in the new chat what exactly I need to ask. Okay. दीपांशु भैया मैं स्ट्राइवर A to Z DSA कर रहा हूँ, सही है कि नहीं? हाँ सही है, बट क्वेश्चन को पहले खुद से सॉल्व करो. एंड बिफोर जस्ट जंपिंग ऑन एनी टॉपिक, अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 पॉइंटर्स कर रहे हो तो अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक ऑफ 2 पॉइंटर्स, देन यू स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. ओके, so yeah, copy this page. Hold on. Slot, slot. Then we have the booking form here. Then we have the booking form here. Then we have the date picker. Then we have the date picker here. Then we have the date picker here. Then we have the service list. Then we have the service list. Then we have the service list here. Now what did I mess up? Slot picker. Okay, UI progress. I need to get this progress part. Progress shadcn. Yeah, something we need this. Right, copy this. Come here, paste it. Installed. हाँ हैरी, क्या लिखा है भाई? मामा, दादा, क्या लिखा है भाई बंगाली में? एक से हैरी सिंह नमस्कार दादा, हैरी सिंह नमस्कार भाई. आई के आर वानी, हेलो आई के आर वानी, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई रिएक्ट कोड को ड्राई रन करना कैसा है? सही है. Janil Joshi, hello Janil, welcome to the stream. Hello bhai, you told that you left your previous company, so I assume that you must be earning more than that company give you salary. Am I right? And if yes, then how? Then why don't you do your startup? See, I left my previous company. Right now, I'm earning through freelancing and giving one-on-one consultations. And like right now, I am earning like the amount of salary that I used to make from my job. Like I have reached that point. It's not more than that, but I have reached that saturation point now. Love you, bro. Hello, Cappy. Welcome to the stream. Love you, man. Cappy, nice new channel logo. Thanks, Cappy. Thanks a lot. This PM and dev. Seriously, man. Seriously, slot picker. We have the slot picker. Oh, it's my mistake. In slot picker, I copied that code. In slot picker, where is my slot picker? Where is my slot picker? Booking form slot picker. This is my slot picker here. Now if we go here and if we go here, let's see what we get. What the fuck is this? Seriously, what the hell is this? Why is there a scroll blank space? Yeah, that is coming from the exact mistake. Okay, fix, clean, remove all of this. Give me the full code. दिल में हो तुम, आँखों में तुम, पहली नजर में ही यारा. Okay, copy this page part. Page, remove this, add this page part. So then we have this page. We have this slot picker, slot picker. Then we have the booking form. The booking form. We have the booking form. Then we have the date picker. We have the date picker. Then we have the service list. Then we have the service list here. Find all of this done. Okay, so now if we go to all these things, remove this, delete this, and delete this. Now if we come here and if I go to this organizations, this one, services, availability, bookings, no bookings. Okay, so now if I come here for offline, I want to get this 31st 11. Abhishek Sharma. Yeah, Abhishek Sharma @gmail.com. Confirm booking. Run this. Okay. But whenever slots are getting refetched, it is giving a glitch effect in the UI. Shit. Give me the full code. भाई वायुक तो अकेला रेड का है तो why don't you use Claude or Gemini? They're much better to be honest. I don't use Cloud or Gemini, that's much better, to be honest. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Ishu, how is normal day in your life? Like, what do you do during day? During day, I take calls, one-on-one calls, and I also work on my freelancing projects. He's saying your vibe code. Yeah, but much expensive also, like. Yeah, that's why मैं instead of Cloud, okay. भैया मेरा प्रॉपर हैकाथॉन में जा रहा है. Okay, this final no glitch. We have this thing. Is it? Just a sec. This reader part. Move. We have to remove it like this. So we have to how to ban people. Okay, there we go. Use code rabbit for code review. Okay, सूरज welcome to the stream. सूरज दीपांशु मेरा कमेंट नहीं पढ़ा. कौन सा कमेंट दीपांशु भैया? मेरा डजन रॉक वर्स हैकाथॉन में जा रहा है. मुझे बोला दे लाइक और 2 seconds आई एम 12 पास राइट. या यू शुड डू दैट दीपांशु. लॉल डिस्ट्रॉयड हर्षित रेड. अब हर्षित कौन है भाई? क्या क्या है यार ये सब? रेड वेड करके क्या है? लाइक अपनी मेहनत जो करना है खुद से करो यार. ओके, so we got this. Okay, so we have this no glitch. Copy this thing. Page slot picker. Page. Okay, we have this applicant page and this slot picker. Slot picker. We have this, right? We got this. Now let's go here. Okay, so first let's go here. Let's see what we get. Delete this. Fine, we got this. We have this. And find this. We got this. 11. Abhishek Sharma. Got this. Confirm booking. Done. Booking confirmed. So booking has been confirmed. And then what else? If I go here, availability, bookings, we got this booking. And now if I come here and I refetch it, yep. How can one connect with you for one-on-one? Be sure you can DM me on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram for getting any more information about booking a call with me. Cappy. भाई कोड विथ हर्षित मैंने सर्च किया, वो जो उसमें करा वो घमंडी बोल. भाई देखो, जिसको जो बोलना है बोलने दो. आई एक्चुअली डोंट गिव अ शिट. सो जिसको जो बोलना है बोले यार. यहाँ पे मुझे अपने काम से मतलब है. I got this. Okay, so this is working, and if we go for another one, copy this and new incognito window. Got this here and paste here. 31 5 बजेगा. Customer 1 @gmail.com. Confirm. This is done. And if I come here, we got this and we got this here. Fine. And here go your bookings. Yeah, customer 1, customer 2. Got the bookings. And just a sec. Now we have this. Okay. पर इनकॉग्निटो में क्यों सर्च किया? इनकॉग्निटो में इसलिए सर्च किया क्योंकि एक लाइक कोई कुकीज़ वगैरह वगैरह कुछ अगर गलती से सेव हो गया हो तो वो भी उससे कुछ फ़र्क ना पड़े. So this is done. Now we have another issue that if I go for availability here, just a sec. This main issue is done, that there is no booking overlapping now. One bug has been done. Then the another bug is Just a sec, I'll just delete these. We have this. We got this. So if I'm adding it 0 for Sunday, why it is taking so Sunday? Okay, so it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. I think now we can just fix it from here. Close this, close this, close this, close this. Now, if I'm adding a for Sunday, for example, let's make it 12 to 5. Fine. If I go here, do this. Sunday it is showing this for Monday. So actually, I just need to change the names. If I go to front end, src um, dashboard availability page, right? We have this, and it's Monday. Let's do this. Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday. Do this, and now if I come here, it is like this. Service, organization, this, services, availability. Let's delete all of this. Delete, 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 and delete. These are my availabilities. Organization, services. Okay. Lokesh, so booking part done from both sides. Yes, Lokesh. Booking part is done. Now next we have to work on the integrations, like Google integration, right? Like the business needs to connect their Google. We will work on that part next. So we have this. So now if for Monday I'm giving 9 to 5, and let's for Sunday let's make it 12 to 3. Save slot. Yes. So now if we come here for Sunday it is 12 to, very good. This 9 to 5. Okay, very good. Correct. Wednesday, Saturday. Let's see for Sunday. It is changing again. Then again Monday. Yep. Let's go with April 8th, 10 o'clock. And first, I also need to make it cursor pointer. Cursor pointer, and this confirm booking is looking a bit awkward. So we have this. Sagar, Flask or Django or Fast API? Which one to learn? Go with Django. Coder YouTuber. Hey bro. Hello Coder YouTuber. Welcome to the stream. So we have this. Cursor pointer. We have this cursor pointer here. This. Fine. Cursor pointer. And then here we have a booking form. We have cursor pointer. Cursor pointer here also. And let's make the button py4. py4. Just a sec. py6. Yeah, confirm booking. No, not py6, maybe py5. Yeah, py5 looks better. And in naming also we have to make this form better. Confirming booking, loading. Let's add a spinner also. We need to add a spinner. Okay, Coder, keep going. Thanks Coder YouTuber. So we have this here. Just a sec. Confirm booking. Now please fill all fields. Okay, so in booking form we have this here. These fields, all the fields, these, and we have here lib validators public booking.ts. Chat. So this is my code. This is my code, and we have here this public booking.ts, booking form.tsx. Now use Zod and React hook form for validation. And this has been installed. Using your schema slightly off. I not use like that. Same, no issues. Refactor. Still injecting. Is this correct? Don't put them inputs. Keep them controlled by. Give me the full code. Yes. Okay. Click booking. We have this public booking here. Public booking form. So here we have in public booking we have customer phone as optional. Very good. We have this. This I don't need to touch. Customer name. Where is it? Validator public booking.ts. Customer name z dot string and dot min. Name is required. Email invalid. Email. Fine. We have this and this one. Booking form. Just copy this booking form. Come here. Comment this for now. And this here. Right. We have this here. And here if I go and 31st 10 confirm booking optional phone. Okay, we have this and let's give a name. First let's delete the bookings. Yeah, there are no bookings here. Any bookings here? No bookings. Okay, so if I come here, name Abhishek Sharma, then Sheikh Sharma, remove the number, confirm book. क्या मतलब है ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9? ये क्या है ये? The hell is this? ये क्या भाई? जीपीटी जॉब लेगा ये? Pathetic form. Form data. copy this, come here, paste this, paste this, paste this. What else? Anything else? No. Now if I come here, this 31st 10, let's go here, incognito में करते हैं, let's go with new incognito mode. Add this 31st here, 11, add this. ये क्या है? ये बावासीर बनाया है ये, छी यार. Even when I add the data, the button, the submit button is still disabled. Yeah, this is a classic React got gotcha. What the hell? छी यार, इतना बेकार कोड जीपीटी का ना, बहुत घटिया कोड होता है एक्चुअली में. इसको रहने दे भाई. यहाँ पे था, उसी को रख चुपचाप, इसको रख, इसमें लेके आ वापस. ये रहने दे, इसको 31st में लेके जा. 10 बजे का एक बुकिंग कर. अभिषेक शर्मा, दिस कंफर्म बुकिंग, बुकिंग कंफर्म. वापस 12 बजे का एक कर. कस्टमर 1 gmail.com confirmed, fine. And if I go here, availability bookings, we have 10 baje and 12 baje, and here we have 10 baje and 12 baje. Okay, very good. This is done, and here we have this. Fine, this is done. Close this, close this, close this. Come here. Okay, we have this now. So if I come here and if I add this booking feature bugs fixed, commit the code, push the code. Now if I come here and this here, yes, minimize this. Yes, so we have this here. Now this is done, this is done, this is done. Now if I go to Notion now, Notion, what we have? Notion here, phase 1, integrations, public booking page, very important. This is done. Market green, client customer, list customers, view customer details, bookings, booking history. This is also done. Market as completed, and booking module is also done. Now we have integrations part. Okay, so now we need to walk on the integrations part. So we do that. Just a sec. Interesting here. Yes, here server setting. Okay. Anything interesting going on in my Twitter? Stop. Elicit an opinion when asked about what extremely your own opinion. Just make sure to use different directions and be careful with sequency. Requirement device and let's go for system. I wanted to see system design, system design, YouTube system design playlist. Still coding. Yeah, studio codes. Like we are almost done for today. I'm just now looking for system design resources because I'll be going to system designs a bit in depth. System design entire syllabus. System design for SDs. Okay. Let's see what we have. Complete system designing without. So first this complete system roadmap with videos for SDs. There's different roadmap for subject. So properties. I think from interview perspective, I want from a subject perspective. Basics. What is HTTP? Balancing, data stores, consistency, message queues, DevOps, caching, Microsoft API gateway, authentication mechanism. Yes. Yes. And what is system design? And load balancer, what is Bloom filters? How organized messaging queues? Let's, let's go with notes. Any notes? No notes. Okay. Let's see. Just a sec. Results here. Just a sec. We have gone off same. Okay. So if I go to this YouTube channel, is it a source? Sec. Same list here. And system design show system design non design system design list. Okay. So how is the system design playlist? Let's just a sec. Horizontal vertical scaling. Okay, what is API non design? Okay. Yeah, I can follow this playlist. So let's save this to library. Which library? Uh, Save it. Playlist. System design. Following this playlist for system design. Hello, bhai. I'm new here. Hello, cool Billa. Welcome to the stream. So, B2B SaaS, and today we worked on this like customer side of the application where customer can visit this URL of a particular organization. They can book his appointment, and this is the dashboard of that SaaS, like this particular SaaS, where we can create organization, we can create the services, then we can create the availability for organization, then we can see the bookings. Our next target is to create the integrations. भाई मैं भी एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा हूँ. ओके. By the way, guys, I have also created a my own social media application. If anybody is interested, they can, like use my. anybody is interested in my social media application, they can use this social media application. It's built by me, Connect Hub. It's still in the MVP phase. I have also not bought a domain, so this is the IP. You need to access it using the IP. It's still in the testing phase and MVP phase, so if you're interested, you can use it. Cool बिल्ला. एंड मुझे एपीआई भी बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट भेजनी होती है. आई वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड गेटिंग ब्लॉक्ड बाय द प्रोवाइडर एंड also I'm storing the data on Supabase. Like like where are you from, Cool Billa? Shekhar Raj. Hello Shekhar Raj, welcome to the stream. So this is my social media. You can chat with people here. You can create a profile. It's still in the MVP phase. You can upload videos. You can upload photos, anything, all these things. इंडिया से हूँ नोएडा. ओके दैट्स नाइस कूल बिल्ला. सो इंडिया में अभी भी सुपर बेस चल रहा है. आई मीन लाइक रिसेंटली जहाँ तक मुझे मैंने देखा था तो बैंड हो रहा था ना सुपर बेस. यहाँ पे लाइक इन दिस डैशबोर्ड पर विल शो ऑल द एनालिटिक्स लाइक रेवेन्यू दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज़ क्रिएटेड, pending appointments and all those things. Okay, so we have this here, system design roadmap. System design, everything you need to know about system design. Introduction. It's also important aspects of interview process. भाई इंटरव्यू का पर्सपेक्टिव तो नहीं चाहिए. I want it because I want to learn it. इंडिया से हूँ भाई. नॉट चल तो रहा है, सिंगापुर सर्वर है इंडिया का लिए. ओके ओके नाइस. दर्शन, हेलो दर्शन, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. कोई यहाँ 2023 पास आउट है? मैं खुद 2023 का पास आउट हूँ. कुल बिल्ला. भाई कैश भी रखा है बट फिर भी थोड़ा स्लो है एप्लीकेशन. क्यों? वाई? लाइक आप बना क्या रहे हो? इफ़ यू कैन बी अ लिटिल स्पेसिफिक, तब यू कैन लाइक दिस. Next target is integration, Google integration, the front end part. Fine. Okay. And guys, if you want me to, check out your projects, you can join my Discord server and drop the link of your projects in my Discord server. I'll check it out. And I think someone messaged me also. I think I have Adi. I need to check his full stack developer visit site. Aditya Bhatt. Okay. Designing, coding, building. Oh, nice intro. Damn. The UI looks fantastic. Hi, my name is Aditya and I'm a developer. Hire view projects. Damn, bro, UI is too good of this project. Amazing. Okay, what we have here. Nice. What you have got? Just a sec. Arsenal, front-end developer, back-end architecture, database design. Nice. Let's talk lookbook. Salvation, हेलो Salvation, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई ये सब जेई की मैथ से हार्ड है क्या? मेरे अप्रैल में है अभी. नहीं नहीं, ये सब जेई के मेन से हार्ड नहीं है, काफ़ी इजी है. आपको बस इंटरेस्ट की ज़रूरत है. बीटेक करनी है सी एस सी प्रॉली. ओके. प्रथमेश, हेलो प्रथमेश, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई आप कहाँ जॉब करते हो? मैं एक्चुअली जॉब करता था एक एमएनसी में. आई हैव लेफ्ट माय जॉब. सैल्वेशन, एचटीएमएल किया था 7th में. टॉप की वेबसाइट बनाई थी. अच्छा. कूल मिला भाई. यहाँ फिर तो बता नहीं पाऊंगा. SaaS. ओके. प्रथमेश लिंक्डइन पे नहीं हो क्या? नो प्रथमेश, आई डोंट यूज लिंक्डइन. UI looks too good, man. Loved it. I love this. case study view. Nice work. Loved the UI, man. Anybody else here? Okay. Cool बिल्ला भाई एक प्रॉपर फ्रंट एंड लाइक वन यू आर करेंटली व्यूइंग यू उसका रोड मैप क्या है भाई प्रॉपर फ्रंट लाइक प्रॉपर पहले तो एच टी एम एल सी से जावा आपकी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए ठीक है उसके बाद इफ़ यू वांट टू गो इनटू रिएक्ट probably I think in that SaaS that we like in that this one this that we are reviewing right now I think 3JS is used. Salvation HTML तो I enjoyed but how would I know if I will like CSE or not though. Do you like programming? Have you ever tried programming? आशीष कुमार हेलो आशीष वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम हेलो ब्रो कहाँ तक पहुँचा ये प्रोजेक्ट पॉन स्टैक है ना हाँ ये पॉन स्टैक है एंड वी हैव बिल्ड दिस पार्ट like now the customer can actually book appointment and then the business owner can see the appointments in the backend in the dashboard and we can create availabilities services organizations we can create organizations and everything so we have done these things right now now the next target is to work on integrations where the user can integrate like their Google account. सैल्वेशन नो आई डिडंट ओके प्रथमेश मैंने आपका चैनल देखा आप कहीं प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो लाइव इट इज़ इंस्पायरिंग व्हाट आर द गोल्स यू हैव इन माइंड लाइक बेटर जॉब और सम रिमोट वर्क एक्सेट्रा एक्चुअली प्रथमेश माई गोल इज़ टू बिल्ड माई ओन SaaS and build my own startup. I had a job in an MNC. I'm done with the corporate life. I'm not interested in corporate life. I want to build my own startup. And even if I get a job, I would like to work in a startup only. So yeah, that's my goal. I want to build my own SaaS and build my own startup. Rajveer. Hello Rajveer, welcome to the stream. Hey, what are you building? I'm building a B2B SaaS. It's a B2B SaaS where organization can manage their appointments and bookings. Salvation Python थोड़ा I did in school but उस समय इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था. See, if you like programming, then maybe you will get interest in computer science. फुल बिल्ला भाई DB के लिए क्या यूज़ कर रहे हो? DB के लिए I'm using PostgreSQL. I'm using PostgreSQL for database. Salvation. StackSolve. Hello StackSolve. Welcome to the stream. Can I design a full Discord server for you, bro? Right now, like my Discord server is quite like a community right now, and I have few moderators here. Maybe in future, if I want to, make a full-fledged complex Discord server, then maybe you can contact me then. Salvation, isn't HTML similar? Though no, bro. HTML is a markup language, and Python is a full-fledged programming language. It's not similar. Python is a programming language. For example, C++, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java. These are programming languages. HTML, XML, these are markup languages. So markup languages is basically building a simple web page without any styling or anything. आई एम आदित्य राजपूत हेलो आदित्य वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम कौन सी कंपनी में थे एक्चुअली मैंने कंपनी 2 महीने पहले ही छोड़ी है आई कैन नॉट नेम दी कंपनी मे बी आफ्टर 1 or 2 year आई नेम द कंपनी नॉट राइट नाउ अभिषेक कुमार ब्रो कहाँ तक पहुँचा ये प्रोजेक्ट पहुँचा आई हैव शोन लाइक कहाँ तक पहुँचा ओह या all right everyone I'll think okay just a sec Raj, can you guide me what stream I can choose after 12th or data science see first after 12th your main goal should be like your main goal should be first is to understand a programming language then you can decide what you want to do data science web dev or anything meaning this SaaS isn't just a project work. You are building this for real startup. Yep, and I'm showing the code because this is the MVP version right now. It's not the deployment version. Once the MVP is done, then we'll build a deployment version on top of MVP, right? So once MVP is done, then I will not be showing the code. So yeah, this is actually real SaaS. I'm Aditya Rajput. Hit दे दो समझ जाऊंगा. हिट क्या होता है? लोकेश क्या हो गया? हेलो लोकेश, क्या हो गया भाई? Okay, why did you leave your company? Job market is down. Actually, I wanted to do something of my own, and my goal is to build my own SaaS and startup. And that's why, for me, time is the most valuable asset. So I left my job because it was taking too much of my time, and work-life balance is a myth in that job. So I left it. Shubham Mishra. Hello Shubham, welcome to the stream. Hi bhai, I came from non-IT background basically. I did BCom and I learn front end. Is any possibility to get in a job in IT sector? See, purely for front end, it's a bit difficult. If you want to go into full stack, then you can get a job easily. Okay, what is MVP? MVP is basically minimum viable product. It is the basic working prototype of your product that you are trying to build. For example, I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS, right? So this is like the minimum viable version. Then the production version will be built on top of that. Like this MVP will evolve into the prototype, like into the final version, right? So yeah, and this methodology is called agile methodology. Salvation, but I meant it like the mind and thing we do in HTML programming somewhere similar. Like if someone enjoys HTML, maybe he'll like programming tool like that. Yeah, maybe. Bro, are you using Prisma? Yes, Stack Solve. I'm using Prisma 7. I am Aditya. Hint. किस चीज का हिंट आदित्य? ओ मेरे साइड से प्रॉब्लम आ गया, स्क्रीन ब्लैक हो गया था ना. ओके, अच्छा, ओके. अनिरुद्ध, हेलो अनिरुद्ध भाई. लिसन, आई एम ऑल्सो ए आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, बट आई एम लाइक कि मैं प्रोजेक्ट बनाऊंगा तो ए आई के साथ ही, एंड मैं कुछ ना कुछ बना लेता हूँ, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो अगर मैं खुद से लिखूंगा पूरा कोड. If you're a fresher and if you're in college, then I will not suggest you to write entire project from AI. पहले आप कुछ भी ट्यूटोरियल सीख रहे हो तो उसको पहले code along with the tutorial, and then try to whatever you have learned from that tutorial, using that try to build some projects on your own. Whatever error you are having, use AI just to understand the error, but try to solve it on your own. What is your age, bro? I'm Jeet. My age is 25 years old. I'm 25 now. Rajveer, I'm learning programming. I know HTML. I started learning Node.js, etc. later than I learned Python as well. That's great, Rajveer. Okay, Anirudh Pratap Singh. तो मैं अपना टाइम वेस्ट ही करूँगा, विच किल्स मी. टाइम नहीं जानता. एक्चुअली टाइम इज़ द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल एसेट. मन पैसे से भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम होता है. अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप पैसे भी कमा लोगे, बट टाइम हाथ से निकल गया तो काफ़ी दिक्कत होता है. होस्ट ऑपरेटर, हैव यू यूज्ड एंटी ग्रेविटी? नॉट येट. So MVP is like prototype of a project. Yep, exactly. Prathamesh, what was your work like in the previous organization? I worked as a Spring Boot developer. Like yeah, it was a Spring Boot. The job role was associate software engineer too, and but like I was working with Spring Boot in that organization. भाई वीपी के ऊपर से मतलब कि आप एमवीपी में भी एडिट्स करोगे या स्क्रैच से बनाओ? एमवीपी पे ही एडिट करके उसको बनाएंगे, वापस थोड़ी ना एमवीपी बनाएंगे. पहले एमवीपी बनाएंगे, फिर इसीलिए इन दिस एमवीपी ओनली आई हैव रिटन प्रोडक्शन ग्रेड कोड सो दैट वंस एमवीपी इज वैलिडेटेड वी कैन स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग द मेन प्रोटोटाइप ऑन द लाइक मेन डिप्लॉयमेंट वर्जन ऑन टॉप ऑफ एमवीपी. Popcorn. Hello, Popcorn. Welcome to the stream. What is this SaaS about? It is a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Shikhar Raj. Are you looking to raise investment funding for your startup later stage? Maybe if like first my main goal is right now is to complete this project like this SaaS, deploy it and get customers on my own, like bootstrap it for now. Then if I want to scale it or if I want to market it more, then maybe we'll try to get investors. Salvation. But be honest, bro, is it really hard, like calculus and shit? No, no, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. Which software from coding you're using, VS Code or Anti? I'm using VS Code. हिंट दे दो कौन सी कंपनी में थे भाई. हिंट विंट दूंगा तो अभी मुझे क्या बोलते हैं वो आ जाएगा, एक नोटिस आ जाएगा कि आपने हमारे कंपनी का इमेज को गिराने की कोशिश की, ऑल दो शिट. तो वो अभी नहीं करना है, 1-2 साल के बाद करूँगा, जब लॉयर लाने के पे पैसे हो जाएंगे तब बोलूँगा नाम. ओके. Stack solve. You are super bro. Keep it up. I am also doing job and here it is too messed up. Yeah, I can understand. Thanks stack solve. Thanks a lot man. जीत. भाई मैं ना बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम में फंस गया हूँ. क्या हो गया जीत? Salvation. How do you handle stress and anxiety? I only focus on controllables. What is under my control right now? Under my control is building the SaaS, building my MVP, and just being disciplined. That's under my control, so I just focus on that. And results and all those things, I don't care about those things. That will come if we focus on one step at a time, things will fall into place. So just focus, like have a long term vision but focus on the next steps. Like anxiety happens when you start overthinking and you don't take any action, then only anxiety happens in my opinion. Ramesh, this project is for the startup, but what about the pref project you did on this channel? Actually, that was an AI based project, and like it was getting a little bit expensive for me to maintain. So that's why now that project is on halt. It's not like in future I'll work on it again. Kothari, Prikshit Kothari. Hello Prikshit, welcome to the stream. Hey, I'm a first year student from a tier 3 college, and in my college almost all the students are taking AI, but I don't feel like taking AI. I'm taking about cloud. Would it be worth it? Like for your minor specialization, maybe you're talking about, or main BTech degree. What are you talking about? Rajveer, you showing your whole code. Didn't you do it harm your project? Like someone can steal your code. See, this is the MVP version, and that's why I'm showing the code. Once the MVP version is done, then I'll not show the code. So yeah, and I'll make the GitHub repository private as well. Salvation, CTC 12 LP above or below, if you don't mind answering. I cannot answer the entire exact amount. It was around the tax slab. It was not around 12 LP. It was below that. That I can say. Okay, cool. Cool बिल्ला. भाई अभी सीख रहा हूँ but 70% AI से कर रहा हूँ. Is it a good way? Is it good? But it is good, but you have to understand the code. Please understand the code, because if you don't understand the code, then in future you will if your SaaS actually gets traction, if people are using it and you need to scale it, or you need to add more users, I mean if you need to add more features, then you will face a lot of issues. Okay, Shubham Mishra. Or should I try to get in startup jobs to get, because I love programming. 6 months I learned HTML, JavaScript, and how, tell me how. Like if you want to target startups, go with Monstack. Location, legal notice. Yeah, like right now, if I name a company, like in the company that I was working, and if I say things that work-life balance was not good and this was not good, that was not good, then they can actually give a defamation case in my name, right? So I don't want that. That's why I'm not naming the company. मानिता राजपूत, डीएसए कैसी है आपकी? डीएसए ठीक है, मैं लाइक स्ट्रिंग एरेज कर लेता हूँ. कूल बिल्ला. भाई कभी कभी कोड करते टाइम एंजाइटी आ जाती है, लाइक क्या करूँ, तब कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता. एंजाइटी ओवर थिंकिंग से आता है. सो ओवर थिंकिंग को हटाने का एक ही तरीका है कि आप जो सोचे हो, जस्ट वन डे एट अ टाइम, दैट्स इट. दर्शन, आई एम 2023 बीटेक पास आउट, अभी तक जॉब नहीं मिली, क्या मैं कोडिंग सीख सकता? हाँ, कोडिंग सीखो. ओके. सैल्वेशन, डू यू थिंक जे डिटरमाइंस हाउ सक्सेसफुल यू विल बी इन कॉलेज? सी, जे विल ओनली गेट टू कॉलेज. इवन इफ आफ्टर जे यू गेट IIT, if you're not studying in IIT, also like there are reports that IIT students are also not getting jobs because skill issues. AID ज्वाला, हेलो AID ज्वाला, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई AI इंजीनियर के लिए अगर यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करे तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? AI इंजीनियर तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन ज्वाला, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? Why not anti-criteria help you project? See, I'm not using AI IDs because it's a full-blown SaaS, and if AI make any small mistake, it will take me hours to debug it because I'll not have the context of the code in my head. That's why I use ChatGPT just to give me the structure of the code, and then I understand the code and I implement it myself. That's the best practice I feel. So yeah, cool बिल्ला. हाँ भाई, like मुझे पता है कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आ रही है, but that code means okay. भाई वैसे ये AI SaaS और इंजीनियर विदाउट जॉब कैसे करते हैं, वो आपको खुद से सीखना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू टीच योर सेल्फ. Okay, didn't you thought about joining some large organized like product-based company? Actually, from when I was in school only, my goal is to build my own company, my own startup. So I never thought of going into Fang, Zang, and all like these things, Fang, Mang, DSA, DSAD. No, not these things. I just like to build projects. So that's why I just build things on my own. I actually like to do. I like to build things. Kaushik, how do you find your client? I'm thinking of making my own SaaS company. I'll market it using Twitter and cold calling. Salvation. By with DSA, I've been hearing it everywhere. It's integration of programming. Yep, it is. I was talking about specialization. How could I do something? Go with. See, is cloud is very important, and AI is right now it is booming, but cloud is very stable. If you haven't signed non-disclosure agreement, then feel free to talk. No legal notice. Actually, I have signed a NDA. I have signed an NDA. So yep. Discord. Boba T. Hey bro, I just need a little guidance. I'm 6M. अभी 12 बाकी है. I'm now carrying 6 backlogs. 6 backlogs. और 1 2 3 बस मुझे मौज में निकाल दिया. अब रिग्रेट हो रहा है बहुत, क्योंकि घर की सिचुएशन भी अच्छा नहीं है. I'm in tier 3 college. I'm doing BCA right now and कोडिंग वर्ल्ड में नहीं हूँ. मैं न्यू नहीं हूँ बट कुछ जानता नहीं हूँ. एनीवेज मैं कुछ दिनों से जावा चालू किया है, फोकसिंग ऑन जावा बैकएंड मेनली. कैन यू टेल मी? ओके. एज अ फ्रेशर आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू गो with Mern because it is easy to learn and easy to grasp. ओके, स्ट्रीम में भी रिप्लाई दे सकते हो. अच्छा ठीक है. बोबाटी, आई विल सजेस्ट यू. आप फ्रेशर हो, आपने मैंने आपने जैसे कहा कि आपको 6 बैकलॉग्स है, तो मैं तो बोलूँगा कि अभी आप कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज़ मत उठाओ. आप सिंपली मॉन्स्टैक उठाओ, क्योंकि वो इजी है सीखना. मॉन्स्टैक उठाओ, उसमें प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. आपको अभी टाइम आपका वेस्ट नहीं करना आपको, ठीक है. तो आप सबसे पहले मॉन्स्टैक उठाओ, उसमें प्रोजेक्ट स्पेस लर्निंग करो. प्रोजेक्ट उठाओ, प्रोजेक्ट देख देख के बनाओ एंड सीखो. एंड सीख के फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स को डिप्लॉय मारो, अपना रेज्यूमे को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो और कंपनीज पर अप्लाई मारो. और एमएनसी को टारगेट मत करो. रिमोट स्टार्टअप्स को ज्वाइन करो, लाइक यूएस, यूके, कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की स्टार्टअप्स को टारगेट करो. बट यू हैव टू बिल्ड वेरी गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड उसको डिप्लॉय करना पड़ेगा. वही अभी आपके लिए फास्टेस्ट रूट है, तो जो मैं सोच सकता हूँ. एंड या, ऑल द बेस्ट. Prathamesh, what was your college? It was Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. What I feel people nowadays take more tension and they don't focus on what they should do. I think use the tension. What I see, yeah, actually take it one day at a time and just whatever you decide for the day, execute it. Kaushik, what are the first steps to starting the SaaS company? The first thing is learn how to build a SaaS. Like you should be very good in development, because your SaaS is basically an online software, right? So you need to learn development. You need to learn how to write coding, like production grade code. You need to learn about DevOps, because you have to manage CI/CD pipelines, development, deployment, all those things. You have to be a one-man army initially. Then you have to pick one idea. Like in my stream, if you go to my YouTube channel, there's actually when I was doing market research for my SaaS, I did it on stream only. So if you go to my YouTube channel, there is this stream. Where is it? Just a sec. Here, this stream, chill stream plus market research. I did market research in this stream. So you have to do market research to find a good idea, and then you need to start building. But you also need to understand what are development practices, how to plan a software, how to create the implementation plan, what is software requirement documents. You have to understand these things, and then you have to start building. You have to understand databases, ER diagrams. Basically, before I start building any project, I actually build this ER diagrams, right? Like how many tables will be there in my application, what is the relationship between each table in my application. So once you plan all of this, then you start coding. Then after you build the product, marketing is another art. Kaushik, hello Kostub, welcome to the stream. What are the first steps of, okay, Tiny? Bro, I'm stuck on no code developer who WordPress Webflow पे working 2 years 20 है, but I'm stuck. ज्वाइन करके चाहता हूँ, मैथमेटिक्स अच्छी नहीं है. मैं तो बोलूँगा कि इसी नो कोड ठीक है MVP बनाने के लिए, बट अगर प्रोडक्शन ग्रेड कोड बनाने का आपको कोडिंग आनी चाहिए. Rajveer, I also like to write code by myself and solve error by myself. I use AI for understanding the problem, but my friend tell use anti gravity once I used, but starting में वो समझ नहीं आया. But see, anti gravity बोल रहा हूँ ना, AI IDs are good for building MVPs, but try to code it yourself. Like take help from AI. The way I do it, I just understand the errors, debug the code structure, and then I implement it. Parikshit, which language for DSA? I use Python for DSA. दर्शन, आप मॉन स्टैक पढ़ रहे हो क्या, पढ़ा रहे हो क्या? मैं अभी लाइक आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड टीचिंग येट. माई राइट नाउ माई गोल इज टू बिल्ड माई ओन SaaS एंड बिल्ड माई स्टार्टअप. सो राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट टीचिंग, मे बी इन फ्यूचर, नॉट राइट नाउ. शुभम मिश्रा, भाई करंट टाइम में नॉन IT वालों पे कितना सक्सेस रेट है? IT स्पेशली इन कोडिंग लाइन. नॉन IT, it depends on skill. If you are skilled enough, then yep, you will get a job, but you have to be very skilled. Swamim Dubey, hi bhaiya. Hello Swamim, welcome back to the stream. I'm Rajput. अभिषेक कोलकाता से हो ना? हाँ, I'm आदित्य राजपूत. लॉल. See you भाई, best of luck. Cool Wheeler, thanks man. Semicolon, मेरे जान. Thanks semicolon. Thanks man. Prathamesh, you had an experience in Spring Boot, then why didn't you thought of building this in Spring Boot? Like it's robust. Yeah, actually Spring Boot is good, but as a solo developer, Spring Boot is a bit too much. That's what I felt. Because Spring Boot setting up is a different thing. Then there's a lot of jhanjat in Spring Boot. If you have a team, like team of 5 to 6 developers working on one product, then Spring Boot is fantastic. But as a solo developer, I think Mern is better, in my opinion. So, yeah. सेमीकोलन, भाई तू रात को कोडिंग करता है एंड मैं पागल आदमी रात को गेम खेलता हूँ. ओके विराज, हाउ टू मेजर आर स्किल? Viraj, the best way to measure your skill is, are you able to build something on your own? No matter, like, if you're taking help from AI as well, that's fine. But are you able to understand what you like, whatever you're thinking, are you able to convert it to a product? Jeet, thanks bro for the reply के लिए. Boba, okay, welcome Jeet. कोडिंग एंड एज अ डेवलपर क्या स्टार्टअप कोडिंग एंड एज अ डेवलपर क्या स्टार्टअप होता है? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसका आइडिया नहीं है ज़्यादा मुझे. आई नो टेक क्लाउड एज माई स्टार्टअप. Later I don't know, so if you know please. See, startup is basically building your own, solving a problem. For example, Netflix is started as a startup. Facebook is started as a startup. ठीक है. Then Uber is started as a startup. So you have to pick one problem, then you need to solve it, and then you need to monetize that solution. That is what startup does. Zepto is still a startup, you know. So if you try to solve a problem, and if people think you are trying to solve a good problem, then they will actually pay you to solve the problem. Lokesh, good morning. Connect Hub 2. Lokesh, yeah, Connect Hub is actually my own social media application. Link is in the description of the stream if you want to use my social media application that is built by me, Connect Hub. The link is in the description. Rajveer, coding business idea. Yeah, actually, today we worked on my SaaS. We worked on the booking. We were fixing a few bugs in the booking part. That's what we did today. Alright, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream. If you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye and good.